In this video, we will learn how to create some classification models using various machine learning algorithms with Python using a very simple data file 2. So before you continue to watch this video, please watch the video which is similar to this except it's using a very simple data file 1. So classification is a very common and useful task for decision making, and there are some machine learning algorithms used to create classification models. Decision trees, neural networks, and logistic regression are three of the most popular and useful machine learning algorithms. And in binary classification, we classify entities into two groups, 0 or 1. I have a very simple data file 2.csv that looks like this. There are two independent variables, x1 and x2, and a dependent variable, y, which is also called the group variable because this is a classification problem. So we have two groups, 0 and 1. So the challenge is to find a pattern between x1 and x2 and y, so that by looking at x1 and x2, we can predict y. So we can use the decision tree algorithm or a neural network algorithm or the logistic regression algorithm. And we can also create confusion matrix for the various classification models using Python. So there's a machine learning library of functions for Python called sklearn. Here's a website for sklearn library. And there are modules for decision trees, neural networks, and logistic regression called tree, neural network, and linear model respectively. And there are functions. So for decision tree, the function is decision tree classifier, which comes in the module tree. For neural networks, there's a function called MLP classifier, which comes in the module neural network. And for logistic regression, there's a function called logistic regression under linear model. So we will now switch to Spyder, where we will see how to write code to create various classification models for the data contained in very simple data file 2.csv. So you should now see Spyder, and here's a very simple data file 2.csv. The first row has the variable names x1, x2, and y, and then we have 4 rows of x1, x2, and y values, using which we need to create a classification model that can predict the value of y using the values of x1 and x2. Now in a previous video, we have already learned how to read very simple data file 1.csv and create classification models using decision trees, neural networks, and logistic regression. So make sure you've watched that video first. So we will use that code and just make slight changes to do the classification on this data file. So here's the code that we had created for data contained in very simple data file 1, which had only one independent variable x. So what we will do is we're going to copy and paste this code here, and we will change the file name from very simple data file 1 to very simple data file 2, and this has two independent variables, x1 and x2. So that's one change we will make, and the other change is we will reshape it to -1, 2 because there's two independent variables. The rest of the code stays the same because our independent variables are in a variable called x, and the dependent variable is in the variable called y, and we're using x and y here. So we don't need to change any other code. So if we run this, it has created classification models using decision tree classifier. We get 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So that's 100% accuracy. So the confusion matrix looks like 2, 0, 0, 2. With neural networks, it was not 100%. This y of 0 was classified as 1. So the confusion matrix is 1, 1, 0, 2. So there's a false positive. Then logistic regression, Also, one of the zeros was classified as 1 and one of the ones was classified as 0. So we have a false negative and a false positive and a true negative and a true positive. So the confusion matrix is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is to show you that even a very simple data file with only two variables x1 and x2 and only 4 records, it's not so easy to obtain 100% accuracy. And it's also showing that the 3 machine learning algorithms, they're all extremely different. They give different results. So that's the end of this lesson.